Have you ever wondered how affordable solar can be? At SunCommon, we take pride in tearing down the barriers to make solar available at no upfront cost with low interest financing. You'll save thousands over the lifetime of your system compared to what you would have paid a utility company for electricity. Going solar means owning your power versus paying a utility bill forever. There are 3 ways to own your panels. 1. A low interest rate. This is a 12-year loan. Or 2. A low monthly payment. A longer-term 20-year financing option that allows customers to reduce their monthly energy payments. With this plan, you can go solar and pay less each month than you're currently spending on your utility bill. Or 3. Cash. Some of our customers choose to pay for some or all of their solar system without using SunCommon's financing. Your choice. Customers paying cash receive an extra discount. So, how do you go solar? Well, click the link below to get started.